Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F and line a large rimmed baking sheet with parchment or a silicone mat so chips don't stick. Measure 12 ounces of sturdy tortilla chips and place them in a single even layer. Shred 2 cups cheddar and 1 cup Monterey Jack, or use a 2-cup pre-shredded mix. Cook 8 ounces ground beef with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chili powder, or rinse and drain 1 cup black beans for a vegetarian option. Set 1/4 cup sliced jalapeños and 1/2 cup salsa aside. Arrange the 12 ounces of tortilla chips in one even layer on the prepared sheet so no massive stacks block heat. Scatter the 2 cups total cheese in an even pattern, aiming for every chip to have coverage. Reserve a few tablespoons for a finishing sprinkle. Distribute 8 ounces cooked beef or 1 cup black beans and the 1/4 cup sliced jalapeños evenly across the chips. Place on the middle oven rack and bake at 400 degrees F for 6 to 8 minutes, watching closely until cheese is just melted and bubbly. Remove the nachos from the oven and immediately top with 1/2 cup diced tomato and 1/4 cup sliced green onions so they warm slightly without wilting. Dollop 1/2 cup sour cream and 1 cup guacamole strategically, and sprinkle 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime over the platter. Add any pickled jalapeños or a 1/3 cup salsa at this point. Add wet toppings only after baking to maintain crispiness. Serve the tray hot and plan for 4 to 6 servings. Reheat leftovers at 350 degrees F for 5 minutes to refresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.